Measurements shown below the room title can be altered to suit your preference. By hovering your cursor over the room title, you can see where the measurements are taken from. Currently, the measurements in the kitchen do not show the full width of the room. To alter this, tap on the room text to bring up the room menu and select Check, Edit. Here you can tap and drag the arrows to the required position. This will alter the measurement displayed in the room. By tapping on the red or blue box, you can add a description to your measurement if needed. Once you've made your selection, tap OK, and to exit the Check Edit screen, tap Done in the yellow banner at the top. You will now see that the room measurements have been updated with your changes.